Okay, 2004 Wakesetter 23 LSV. It was just waxed today. It's got fresh wax on it. Teak platform. Wake wedge, manually activated. 4-blade stainless steel prop. Nice and clean underneath, no gouges, scratches. As you can see, it was just waxed today. One little area right here that was repaired at one time, but it wasn't sanded or buffed down. And then this is where a rack used to be. But it does have the bimini, it does have 4 speakers, it does have lights front and rear. Trailer's got good tires on it. And now we'll go on the inside.